Alright guys, here with a quick video of Resident Evil 4 for the Nintendo GameCube. It's proof on my Wii. Now everybody's saying that only the PS2 and the Wii has the infinite ammo Chicago typewriter. Well, if you scroll down right there, Chicago typewriter, a very powerful 45 caliber machine gun that fires infinite bullets, fire away Chicago style. This is on the Nintendo Wii. And another proof, I only have a PlayStation 1, no Xbox. I don't have it on the Wii. It's not anywhere. These are all my Wii games. And here's another proof. Resident Evil 4 for the GameCube. Disc 1 is in the tray. Chicago typewriter. If you guys want to know how to do this, you got to be Ada Wong's side mission. And another thing with this is if you beat the whole game, you get an infinite rocket launcher. And another thing with this is if you get all 5 stars, I don't know if this is possible because I can't do it, apparently you unlock another revolver, which if you upgrade all of it, it's infinite ammo. But that's proof. Chicago typewriter on the Nintendo Wii, Resident Evil, infinite ammo, worth that much, and I only have that much. Way to go for me doing this. Thank you. Goodbye.